You know, boys, some people out there are going to say, is it worth putting rock lights on your service truck? You tell me. All right, so we got ourselves this McTuning LED rock light set. You can pick these up right off of Amazon. It was pretty much one of the more ranked quality, more stars. I kind of felt like the unit wasn't going to burn my truck down, so I kind of thought that was more ideal. It's Bluetooth as well, and we'll go through the app and everything. All right, so we'll go ahead and connect to the device. There we go. Powered on. And at that point, you can select your colors, select how quickly it strobes. You can pick different items. You have to basically view it as you're doing it to understand what exactly is going on, but there is different strobe light patterns and all sorts of cool shit. Basics of wiring. You just need a power and a ground source. You use, again, your phone to power the whole system. Setup on a service truck or vehicle in general, it's going to vary, be dead honest with you. This is a quick down and dirty install. So just kind of show you guys, once you find your spot, then just for each wheel, tire area, wheel well, you just pretty much want to just make it as clean as you can. And then again, in a service truck, you want to make sure that everything is away from as much crap as you can. They do come with these really nice rubber insulators, and you just mount it right to wherever it is you're going to mount. They come with 3mm Allen screws, nut washer, the whole deal, holds it right in place, and just a lot of cable ties and securing your harnesses. International has this really cool battery box, or should I say GM has this really cool battery box right here. So yellow wire is my supply, going back to the battery ground. I've got a 10 amp fuse in line all the way up there, and it's loomed over everything. And once again, everything's all set up here. Don't mind the mud. I've got a wire clamp right there, holding it there, as well as a cable tie at each section. I can drill right through the body fairly easy on this truck. The aluminum bodies make it so easy to drill through. And then again, plastic inner fenders on the front, not a big deal. Again, show you guys right there. And the clamp holding it, that particular section of harness right there. And this is all fairly tight, and it's going to get bombarded with mud. Back to the last wheel here. Only thing I've drilled through so far is just right here to make this a little bit cleaner run, protecting it going back through the fender liner inside here. Finding a conjunction point is going to be the hardest spot, I'm going to tell you guys right now. So find an area that works for you and just make sure it's secure and away from moisture and water. Again, all four of them conjoined here, a boatload of cable ties, and this whole system is ready to rock and roll. As you guys see, it does work, it's functional.